Welcome back to our Watershed Walk series. This week, our team visited the Plumweseep restoration site to do outreach with students. Site visits are a great way for the public to really get to know the area and to let the students see for themselves the benefits that restoration work can have. First, we met with the students and talked about the restoration at this site. The KWRC did a variety of restoration techniques here, including bank stabilization of over 100 meters of stream bank, planting over 1,000 willow stakes, planting a variety of tree species, and installing a duck box. After discussing our restoration work at this site, we spent some time chatting with the students about duck boxes and their importance to cavity nesters. Birds such as wood ducks, mergansers, and goldeneyes prefer to nest in holes of standing dead trees. If there are not enough standing dead trees available for nesting, these ducks may rely on duck boxes for nesting spaces. Not only that, but these boxes may provide shelter for other animals, such as mice and squirrels, after the ducks have vacated the box for the winter. We had the students help us choose a suitable location for a duck box at this site. It was tricky to find a place along the tree that was flat enough to place the box, but we eventually found a spot. Once the box was secure, it was filled with wood shavings to provide fresh nesting material for the ducks. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Watershed Walk. We want to say a special thank you to the students who visited us at the Plumweseep site. And thank you to all of our partners whose continued support makes the work we do at the KWRC possible. Make sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with all of our projects. We'll see you next time.